Hello, my name is Jason Andres Posada. I am 26 years old. I am from Barranca Bermeja and I live here with my wife and my two children. I am working independent and in addition study industrial engineering and United. In my free time is watch Netflix. Even now my favorite hobby is play video game. Besides, my favorite TV show is The Big Bang Theory, and my favorite sport is the soccer. I live with three people in my family. Initially, my wife's name is Catherine Garcia. She is 29 years old. She is a nurse and she works in a hospital. She is from Bucaramanga. Her is of stature tall. She has long hair and she has orthodontia. I have two children, a boy and a girl. My son's name is Sebastian Andres. He is 12 years old. He is in the sixth grade. He studies in Antonio Nariño School. He is from Florida Blanca. He is very thin. When he gets home, it will help you with the order and cleanliness. Finally, my daughter's name is Isabella. She is 4 years old. Her study preschool. She is from Medellin. Her is of stature short and she has long hair. She loves playing with toys and additionally her likes to eat cookies. Thank you.